Assalamualaikum. A very good evening to our beloved panel, Dr. Farid Arafat and TS Ahmad Nizam. Before I begin presentation, I would like to introduce briefly myself. My name is Muhammad SYAFIQ bin Ahmad. I'm from Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology. Today I would like to take opportunity to present about safety and health monitoring system for baby incubator using IoT. Okay, go to the first poster, the introduction. We can see in baby incubator, the Internet of Things IoT is having a harsh influence on medical field. Moreover, the consumption of wireless technology is increased to meet need for remote control and monitoring. Remote patient monitoring, for short form RPM, is one of the technology that lets us monitor patients even though they are not in the clinic or hospital. It can improve access of health care and facilities while at the same time lowering cost. Incidence of premature infants varies between countries. In Malaysia, about 8% of babies born are premature. RPM makes life easier for all patients and doctors, thus increasing the quality and reliability of the health care of the baby. For the problem statement for this project, we can see there are three for problem statement. First, the temperature in the incubator is rapidly increasing. Second, the doctor cannot observe a baby's pulse rate per minute and an incubator temperature all the time. And third, a doctor far from baby incubator was difficult to now heart beat and temperature for initial treatment. Okay, go to the objective for this project. We can see to design the IoT system that can transfer the temperature and heartbeat rate data. Second, to analyze effectiveness the proposed prototype of system. Third, this research proposed a smart wearable device for monitoring the temperature in the incubator and the baby's heartbeat. Okay, for the methodology for this project, for first part, I start with the project. This is the flowchart for the project flow. First, we can see start. Second, do a research and choose suitable component. Third, design a standard IoT based health monitoring device. Fourth, circuit and prototype design. Code simulation. Prototype testing. Is the word prototype word? If no, we back to the circuit and prototype design. If yes, we go to the second next step is improve the system performance. And next, data collecting and analyzing. And finally, result and conclusion. And for the project flow, for the next of the table chart is for the project. You can see start. Second, search internet connection. Third, internet found. Okay. Fourth, Arduino to process data. There is two sensor, heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, LM35, and next LCD for output this project. And next, send data to IoT cloud server. Next, display data in the Android mobile application apps. And the last end. Okay, for the result for this project, I would explain that this is for the heart rate beat pulse rate from the TeamSpeak. That's I be record. Okay, from 200 and 100. This is the data from high. And second, this is the temperature for the project. We can see 35.6 indicator. And the last for the result and analysis, you can see this is my project. This is the LCD for the output for this project, and this is electrical circuit for this project. Okay, for the process future for the project, we can, this is for explanation for project features. Okay, using this concept for future work is we can remotely control and more the things around the physical baby. Whenever there is a rise in the heart rate, the system will be connect this module to the emergency alert to the nearby hospital. This can be later upgrade to other module like microcontroller, VIC, and advanced type of integrate block. Okay, for the conclusion from this project, I will get in a nutshell, the system will be combined the design and problem solving skill of engineering with medical and biomedical science to improve baby's health and care and the quality of the life of baby. A medical device is installed for use in a diagnosis of disease or in the cure, treatment, or prevention of diseases. That is one of the reference that I will get from the website or article. Okay, that's all for me for explanation for this poster. I will continue to the simulation for this project. Thank you. Go to the next presentation is about the video simulation for this project. This is my circuit installation for my project. Okay, firstly I would like to explain about the equipment for this project. Okay, for the first equipment is pulse rate sensor. Pulse rate sensor, this is the pulse rate sensor. We can see the pulse rate sensor have 3 pin. First pin is VCC, second pin is out, third pin is ground. Okay, this is the outer for inner for the pulse rate, and this is outer for pulse rate. Okay, this is next we can see this is LCD for 16 times 2. This is the output for this circuit can be seen in the LCD. Okay, next we can go to the Wi-Fi module. This is Wi-Fi module 8266 that I use in this project. Okay, we can see the outer, and this is the inner for Wi-Fi module, and the fourth equipment is LM35. There are 3 pin to. First pin VCC for anti 20 volt support. Okay, 2 is the out, and the 3 is the ground for the LM35. Okay, for the next we can see about LED 1. When we touch to the pulse rate sensor, we can see the blink for the detect for pulse rate sensor. Okay, second for the LED is pulse rate when it can detect 37 above, it will be light up. Okay, and another is the resistor 1K, okay, 2K, and 220. This is the about of Arduino. Okay, for the next step is we can proceed for this coding into the Arduino. We can paste in Arduino. Okay, this is my coding that I will be create for this project. Okay, here's my coding. Okay, next we can compile first for this coding to see an error found or not. Okay, we just wait a few minutes and we can get no error for this coding, and next step is upload this coding. Okay, when we upload this coding, we also wait a few minutes and get the result successfully for this coding. Okay, through the next step is for the hardware simulations output. Okay, the installation hardware. I will be test for this simulation hardware. Okay, we can see this video that the output will be initializing getting data, and we can wait a minute for getting data. Before this, we do not put the fingerprint to the sensor, pulse sensor. Okay, after that we must be press the pulse sensor. Okay, and then we can get the output for the pulse sensor. If this is the BPM for the heart rate for pulse sensor, and this is the, if the temperature above 37, okay, the second LED was light up for indicator. Okay, after we test at the external circuit, we go to the IoT. What is the IoT? IoT is Internet of Things. Is a system of interrelated computer device, mechanical and digital machine, objects, animal or people that are provided with unique identify and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Okay, for IoT I use the TeamSpeak for this circuit. Okay, go to the video. We can see the data can transfer from the external installation to the TeamSpeak. Okay, this is for temperature. Okay, this is for heart rate pulse. Okay, the data for analysis, we can see this is graph for the data analysis for heart rate. We can see this is for 235 BPM of heart rate after 4 seconds that we can get. This is the for the indicator pulse rate 235 and 230. It can be transformed. Okay, can we see this is the setting for the table that we can setting for the bar graph design. Okay, next we can setting for the column. Okay, for the heartbeat example, and second we can adjust for the spline for the design for the graph. Okay. The last step is the output for the serial monitor of Arduino IDE that we can see at the video. Okay, I will play. Okay, for the tool it contain the output that will be okay in this video. Okay, for the explanation for the upper output is heartbeat happen to 180 in the second for the temperature, and the third is 80 CIPS start for the port at the TeamSpeak, and the last for the data is trigger from the circuit to the TeamSpeak is API key. Yes, is the okay. Actually, the first step until the last step is I replace myself as a baby to make the result for this simulation and running for the circuit automation. Okay, thank you for enjoying my explanation for this project. Thank you, partner. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.